Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's April the 17th, 2022. Is Tesla stock about to break out? I mean, like, for real. What do you think is the prospect of us seeing Tesla's stock break out right now? Good question. Well, we're going to try to look at the price chart to try to figure that out. Welcome to the channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I do price, but as you guys can see, is right now in front of you. I was looking for Tesla price to go up, and it did for 2 days. That was it. That was the only opportunity we had to come through and bag some profits. So now I'm going to go through and see whether or not the price is still able to go up in price. If not, then guess what? I'm going to play the weakness too then. Yeah, I'm going to play Tesla stock going down. Now, if you guys appreciate my videos, my content that I am creating, my price predictions, then go ahead, keep it locked in here. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. I want to show you that it's possible that you can also predict price movement without the confusion, without being emotional, without being reliant upon someone else. You simply need to look at the price chart. That's it. Every video that I have on this channel is just that. I'm not paying attention to the company's fundamentals. I'm not paying attention to how much revenue they brought in. I'm not paying attention to mergers and acquisitions. I'm not paying attention to inflation. I'm not paying attention to Jerome Powell and what the Fed is going to do. I'm not paying attention to the global economic struggles that the world is going on with. I'm not paying attention to supply chain constraints. I'm not paying attention to what someone else tweets. Everyone's ideas is already on the price chart. So why do I need to focus in on everything else outside of the price? Before anyone else comes in and place a trade, before they even come in and buy, before they even come in and sell, once they do it, it's already recorded on the price. So I know already, from the smallest retail trader to the biggest hedge funds, I already know what they're trying to do because their idea is plotted on the price chart. And I appreciate that information. So look at this. First, let me go through Tesla and what I talked about in my last video, which was on March the 29th. You guys can see I was playing the strength into the market in Tesla, and it wasn't, we didn't have long, right? I was looking for the market to try to come up here to its all-time high price around $1,200, and it fell short. Price only came down to $1,150, right? So I want you all to see that. That was it. This is why you need to know when to get in and when to get out. So many people tell you to hold on to stocks for a time period, but they never give you a price level. They don't, because it pins them down to where you suspect price is going to be, right? It's one thing to say that I look for Tesla to be more valuable in 20 years. Cool, I give you that. But at what price? What is the price? What is the value that you think Tesla stock is going to be worth in 20 years? Ask them that question, and then you get a deer in the headlights look, because it's impossible for them to even give you a price target that far out. Impossible. Now, let me go ahead and get rid of this. 5.36% was the only amount that the market was willing to give us that we could profit from. So that's the thing that I'm all about. I'm not here trying to take from the markets. I'm simply here to take what they're offering. At that particular moment in time, Tesla was only offering us 5.36%. That was it. Nothing more, nothing less. See? If you did not grab that 5.29%, you were to get out now, then you're down 9.5%. Now, if we're still looking for Tesla's price to go up, then this 9.5% is nothing. Right? We could continue to go on with our expectation of seeing Tesla's price go up. But wait, let me show you what happened on the weekly time frame. See that? See that? Do you think Tesla's price is still going to go up in the near term? Yeah. Not long term, not 15 years, not 30 years. Where do you think price is going to go in the near term? This is Tesla on the 2 weeks, right? Now, I want you all to see something. Let me go ahead and get rid of this last price prediction, because I'm actually looking for Tesla's price to go down now. Okay, just right now. I'm not saying that it's going to completely go down to $400, nothing like that. Let's keep it real. But we got to pay attention to the ebbs and flows of the market, right? Now, I want you all to notice something. This is Tesla on the daily time frame, and we're just going to simply draw this, right? We're just going to simply draw this line right here. in Tesla. This is it. I want everyone who sees this video to pay attention to that one line. This is a trend. Do you see that? The market in Tesla is making lower highs, right? Every time we try to approach all-time high levels in Tesla, you guys can see that we get rejected. Price comes back down. So this signifies that the buyers in the market in Tesla is losing steam. People are not finding Tesla's stock price attractive, first of all, at $12.40. The buyers didn't find it attractive at $1,200. And now they didn't find it attractive at $11.50, $11.45. Because if they did, they would have bought it. And the market would have gone higher from that price level, but it didn't. We're down here around $9.85 once again. So we need to scour out in the market to determine where are the buyers at. Because if the buyers are not at those price levels, they got to be somewhere else. Buyers are here. We just need to figure out where are they at. Now, the first area that I'm seeing it is going to be here. Right there around $950. That's my first area that I'm suspecting the buyers to be at. My second area is all the way back here to 900. So you guys can kind of see it's like in $50 increments, right? That we can see buyers. Now, let's talk about this. Let me go ahead and show you what we have on a 3 weeks time frame in Tesla, okay? So now, first of all, you guys can tell that the trend in Tesla is still one of higher prices. Okay, so that's good. In a 3 weekly time frame, the price in Tesla is still trending higher. That's good. So what we're trying to see is if the buyers are going to be in this location. Okay, we need to find the buyers in that location to let us know that this long-term trend we started all the way back in 2020, that is still intact. We got to see that. If we don't, then we know that the new trend that is forming is this downtrend line that I've created, which is going to cause us a bottleneck, right? It's going to cause us a bottleneck between the buyers and the sellers. And the contention is going to be right here. This is where the problem is going to be for us to know who's actually going to win out. Which one of the market participants, the buyers or the sellers, is going to break one of these lines? Which one do you think is going to give up? The buyers are down here and the sellers are up here. Okay. Which one do you think is going to give up as we continue to see time go on? Let's look at Tesla on the 5 weeks. Okay. So look at this. We've seen a lot of volatility over the last, 5 weekly price bars in Tesla. How do I know that? Well, because the price spreads is wide, right? It lets us know that a lot of people are real active in this stock's price movement. Okay. But which one do you think really is more likely to go on? Currently, I would say from a monthly to 3 months to 5 months, maybe 6 months time frame, Tesla stock is still a buy, right? But currently, I think it's weak, right? I still think that the price as of this particular moment in Tesla is weak. And I'm looking around $960, $950 to $900 as the location that we can see price in Tesla go down to, right? That's it. I'm not looking for a crash. I'm not looking for Tesla's price to actually plummet or anything like that. So those who are Tesla bulls can't just relax. You have to look for price to go up and as well as go down, right? So I'm going to do that. So let's go ahead and drop this on the chart. Looking for the price in Tesla to go down. My first area is 950, so we might even hit that on trading tomorrow, right? That's only 3.25%. I'll take it. Like I said, we're not here to dictate what we want from the market. The only thing that I know for a surety is that everyone is trying to make money. That's what we want, but how much we cannot determine. The market's only going to give us 3.27%, 3.37%, then guess what? We'll take it. My first spot is 950. My second one is 900. Okay. My third one is like 880 to the tops of these 11-hour price bars. And then from there, We'll come through and see if the weakness is going to continue. Then guess what? We'll continue to play the weakness. But if the strength comes in at 950, we'll take out that profitability at 950, and then we ride the market back up to higher price. This is how this game is meant to be played. So yeah, we're going to keep our eyes open on this downtrend in Tesla. All right. Nobody else is going to give you this information. Everyone else wants you to think that Tesla's price is going to continue to shoot up to the moon, when you all can clearly tell that it's in a downtrend too. So let's pay attention to the downtrend and see whether or not the buyers are going to be able to take that out. All right. So now this is what I'm looking forward to. You guys have heard what I think price is going to do. Now I want to know, what do you all think Tesla's price is going to do next? Right? At least within the next couple of weeks to months. I'm not asking for a 15-year price target. If you know that, then go ahead and drop it in the comment section. Give me your 15-year price target in Tesla. Don't give me no broad range, right? Don't give me, well, it's going to be between $1,500 to $2,000. No, give me a price target. Is it going to be $1,200? Is it going to be $2,000? And we'll see. All right. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.